All right, Corey, we saw a short shower not too long ago here in Columbia. What are things looking like around the Midlands?
Yeah, Kaylin, that rain, I hope those that saw it today enjoyed it because we are going to see some extreme heat as we go into this week. Right now, I'm sitting at 88 degrees in Columbia. We got up to 91 for our high today. It's going to be one of our cooler days of the week, if you can call it that. You can see dew point also 67 degrees. So humidity is in full force. Maybe you're heading out to the lake tomorrow, just a little bit warmer than what we saw today. So instead of lower 90s, middle 90s, and maybe a stray shower or storm in the afternoon that we'll have to contend with. So let's take a look at what you can expect, at least for the next 24 hours. As you go overnight, I don't expect any rain, partly cloudy skies, and temperatures will be mild overnight. As you go into tomorrow, very similar to what we saw today. In fact, I'm just expecting some isolated showers and storms after lunchtime. You can see the forecast model starting to pop those up after we get to the lower to middle 90s tomorrow. With that, they're pretty short-lived, but if you're underneath the rain, of course, be some pretty heavy precipitation, maybe some lightning as well. That really starts to go away around 5 to 6 p.m. And with that, we're quiet once again as we go into your Sunday night. So tomorrow, a high of 95 degrees here in Columbia, 20% chance of showers and storms in the afternoon. Overall, another hot and humid day. Looking past that, high pressure is going to be in place across really the entire southern U.S. And that means we have the very small chance of an afternoon shower or storm pretty much every day. But it's going to become more about the temperatures that we're seeing. These reds, these browns that you're seeing on your screen here, that's dangerous heat. This is temperatures in the triple digits, heat indexes well into the 100s that we're expecting as we go into this week. In fact, this is going to be some of the hottest weather we've seen about the last 3 to 4 years. Looking at the upper level pattern, we can see why this is happening. We have a very large ridge out west. That's going to move towards the southeast, and as it does so, it sets up that pattern that we see, that really brutal summertime heat here across the region, and it's looking to stick around for a while. You can see heat index values as you go throughout the next couple of days. 97 tomorrow, but then we're well into the triple digits, and this is getting into the category, if you are outside, you need to remember to stay hydrated, take some breaks, get into the shade. It's going to be very, very hot. In fact, we might break some records next week. We're 95 degrees tomorrow, up to 101 on Monday, 103 degrees or high temperature on Tuesday with maybe a stray shower, a storm. Towards the end of the week, we see a little bit more rain in the forecast, but we're still hot with temperatures in the middle to upper 90s. Stay tuned, we got more News 19 coming up after the break.